Hi, this video I'll explain you how to make a laptop stand with a cloth hanger. Okay, I'm using it for the past 1 month and it is very sturdy and very useful for me while using laptop while working from home. Okay, it's very simple to make it. Just bend the corners here like this. Take the hanger and bend it this side. Same need to do in the other side also. Okay, just bend it, and here this lock is there. Just open it. Okay, just make it using your pliers or screwdriver. You can just open it. Okay, and what you do is make this side down. Just with hand only you can make it like this. Okay, and this one with hand only you can just make it, and this one if you want you can just make it straight. With hand only you can make it. If you feel little heavy it is, then you can use your pliers or and you can just place it down according to your table. Okay, place it down here and you can place your laptop.